Hey everyone, it's been a week. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're wondering why there was no content for the last week, well, that's because I got a strike on the channel and I was not able to upload any content for a whole week. So let me explain exactly what happened. So last Sunday, I uploaded my portfolio update video number 47, and maybe 15-20 minutes in, not even, I don't know exactly when because I was out to dinner when this happened, it was taken down once again, just like the previous month. But because I had already a warning on my channel, this time I got a first strike. And when you get a first strike, you're not allowed to upload content for a whole week. And by the way, if you get a second strike, you're unable to upload content for 2 weeks. And that's all content. That's community posts, that's shorts, that's video, that's everything. Pretty crazy, right? So I wish I knew why it was taken down. All I really get is this message here: harmful or dangerous content. So I don't know how a portfolio unveil video is harmful or dangerous content. Just to give you some context, when this happened the previous month, it was taken down, and I simply re-uploaded the video like that same night, and I didn't change a thing. No title change, no thumbnail change, and there was absolutely no problem. So I have a system that's how dumb this is, right? How dumb this is. But like I said, there's really no information of why. It's not like I could call Google or YouTube and ask them, can you tell me the specific reason? I think this is just their AI that automatically flagged the video and was taken down. I don't know if maybe they made changes to their AI system, made it a little bit more sensitive. But basically, the video was considered to have harmful or dangerous content and to violate the YouTube community guidelines. And that's under the same category as gore or nudity, but also things like financial scams would go into that category. And that's probably where my suspicion is, obviously, because, I'm not naked in the video, why the video was taken down. And again, I could only suspect that maybe it's the thumbnail or the title because there's a monetary amount. I can't really know 100% sure. I'm trying to find a YouTube contact that I could contact. But anyway, the first thing I will tell you, important thing to tell you, is that there's a strike on my channel, and I have to wait until end of July for it to go away. So just to be 100% sure, because I could change the title, change the thumbnail, and maybe re-upload the portfolio unveil now, but I'm scared that if it gets taken down again, I'll get a second strike, and that's no content for 2 weeks, which would be completely crazy. So what I decided to do is join the Rumble platform, and uploaded the video there. So I'll put the link in the video description below if you want to see portfolio update 47. It's live on Rumble without issue. And going forward, I will be uploading all my videos, every single video, on both YouTube and Rumble, just in case. But for the portfolio unveil videos, it's only going to be on Rumble, at least until the end of July. So the next couple of portfolio unveil videos are going to be on Rumble exclusively, because I don't want to take the chance of getting a strike again. So I apologize for the inconvenience, but hey, it's always good to have a backup system. So going forward, I'm going to put everything on Rumble as well, and maybe on other platforms as well. We're looking into that. I know many of you have messaged me, you should go on X, you should go on X. Maybe we'll join X as well. You can never be too careful. So you could watch the video if you want, but going forward, just for the portfolio unveil videos, the next couple of ones at least, they're only going to be on the Rumble platform. So that's basically it. Now, because I have a little backlog of videos, because I wasn't able to upload any videos for a week, there's going to be a whole slew of content coming. You might even get 3, 4, or maybe 5 videos in a week, maybe videos every single day for a little while, because I have some backlog. Plus, there's been a lot of exciting new launches lately in Canada, right? You got Mix from Hamilton. You got a whole slew of new Global X ETFs, including 6 Covered Call ETFs. You have some Bitcoin ETFs from Harvest. So there's been a lot of excitement. I have some Q&As as well. So you might see a lot of content, a lot more content than usual in the next week or so. And then we'll go back to pretty much the 2 to 3 videos a week format. So that's it. I just wanted to keep you guys informed. I'm always going to be an open and honest book with you all the time. I know it's a very popular video, the portfolio update videos. So again, if ever now I'm going to be uploading everything on Rumble, so make sure you follow me there. But in case this kind of stuff happens again, and let's just say I get a second strike, I won't be able to upload on YouTube. So make sure you follow us on Instagram and join our Facebook group as well to be notified if this stuff happens. The links for those are in the video description below. Joining the Facebook group could be a little bit complicated because it's a private group. So you have to actually like the Facebook group, and you should get an automatic invite to join the group. If you don't, just send me an email and I'll invite you manually. But normally if that happens where you like the page and you don't get the invite, there's probably an issue within your Facebook settings. But follow us on Instagram. And again, make sure you follow me on Rumble now, because all videos are going to be uploaded there in parallel. So in case there's a problem with YouTube, the videos are going to be there. So just wanted to keep you informed. And again, including tonight, expect a whole bunch of videos coming up in the next week or two. So that's it, everyone. Thank you and take care.